Hi, Matthew here from 39D. Today on Tech Tuesday, I'd like to talk about mobile broadband. Now, one of the services that we quite often utilise when installing a new broadband service is a temporary mobile data connection. Quite often, with the lead time at the moment of being up to 6 or 7 weeks for a broadband line to be installed, or longer if you're going for fibre to the premise. So one of the things we do is we've got several options for delivering what we call mobile broadband as a temporary solution, but also as a long-term backup solution for keeping your business connected should there be a fault with your primary line. So one of the ways that we complete that is, quite simply, you could plug one of the routers in or a dongle from one of the 4 or 5 mobile phone networks and see what the coverage is like, see what speed we get. Obviously in some of the rural areas it's very hit and miss, so that's where we normally carry out a mobile phone site survey where we would use this analyzer device that will basically tell us which mobile phone network is the best network in your area and how strong the signal is. Now it obviously completes a survey and it reports back how strong the signal is. There's 3 different aerials because the mobile phone networks actually work on 2 different frequency bands. Some are better at travelling further and some are better short distance. That's why we have a grey aerial and a blue aerial. But in areas where it is very, very remote, what we have is a directional aerial. Now obviously you'd mount this on the top of a pole and you literally span the pole around in a circle until you find the optimal direction to your mobile phone transmitter. Mobile data in rural areas can give you speeds up to sort of 20-30 meg. Now once you've then got a site located where your mobile phone network is working, we would then normally install one of these directional antennas on the outside of your building temporarily, and this will give you another sort of signal boost to give you a stronger signal. Obviously all parts of this is a little bit around weather and location, and to finally complete it, once we get back to the office, we print off a graph that tells us each one of the mobile phone networks. We obviously understand what these codes relate to, and then it gives us a signal indicator as well. So obviously we would carry out 3 or 4 surveys over a couple of days if this is going to be a more permanent solution, but this is a little bit of the work that we do for our clients to ensure that they have continuous data connectivity. I'm Matthew from 39D. If you'd like to know more about the mobile phone network, mobile coverage and mobile data services or backup services, then feel free to comment below and I'll happily answer your questions. Look forward to chatting to you soon.